how to get Italian citizenship, so how to get an Italian passport. We understand that this is a really trending question. If you go online, if you go on Google and you search for information about how to get an Italian passport, you find a lot of information. Today we want to clarify, we want to explain to you exactly how to get your Italian citizenship, so what you have to do for getting your Italian passport. This is Marco Bersani, as always, from the Bersani Law Firm and Partners from Italy, an Italian immigration law firm with expertise on Italian citizenship application. Do not lose any more time, let's start. If you are looking for getting Italian citizenship, so if you are looking for getting your Italian passport, well, there are many ways you can do that. Today we want to focus more about the main ways to get your Italian citizenship. So there are two ways, the main ways for getting your Italian citizenship. I will talk about the first way, so the first option, an Italian citizenship by descent, and I will talk about the Italian citizenship by marriage. The first option is to get Italian citizenship by descent. What does it mean? You can get an Italian passport because you have an Italian heritage in your family. So for example, you have an Italian grandparents, you have an Italian grandmother, Italian grandfather, great-grandparents, and so on. So you have an Italian ancestor in your family bloodline. And because of that, you may be eligible for getting your Italian passport, Italian citizenship by descent. Of course, I said potentially, because it's not so easy. There are many things to check, there are many requirements for the process, but technically speaking, you can have an Italian passport just because you have an Italian or more Italian ancestors. The second option, the second way to get Italian citizenship is by marriage. You can get an Italian passport because you are married with an Italian citizen. Be aware that there are many ways you can do that, depending on when you got married. If you got married before the year 1983, technically speaking, the law at that time recognized you automatically as an Italian citizen. So if you got married before that year and your marriage is registered, it's transcribed in Italy, then you can qualify immediately, automatically, just asking to the local Italian consulate to get your Italian passport. If you're married after that year, well, you need to file a formal petition, a formal application. So we can file the application for you because also the entire application is in Italian language. There is a formal application process that can take up to 2 years. Then the ministry, at the end, the Italian government will approve you as an Italian citizen. There are a lot of things to talk about these two options, so if you have some particular questions, some particular doubts, feel free to leave a comment below. We are always happy, and the team is always happy to reply to your questions. Of course, we cannot provide consultation here on YouTube, so if you are interested to have a direct appointment, you can book a consultation call through our website. You can or just write to us through our website for asking questions or more information about the process. We are here at your disposal. Thank you so much as always, and see you on the next videos.